So if you go to Google and you type make money testing websites, there's a list of things that pop up at the start. But the first thing that comes up is usertesting.com. Now, we've already talked about user testing and we've seen it in one of our previous videos. And user testing is a legit site where you can actually earn money online, right? So you see right here, it says that you earn 4 USD for every 5-minute test, right? So basically you're spending 5 minutes of your time and you're getting like $4, right? And 10 USD for every 20 minutes. So for 20 minutes, you could earn some quick money, right? Which is pretty simple. You go through the sign up process on user testing, and I've already talked about it in one of our videos, but this is just a reminder for that. And it's pretty really legit, right? So that was one site, and we are going to talk about another website today which follows a similar sort of approach, but it's slightly different than user testing, right? So this is Make Money Efficiently, and we teach you how to make money the right way and where you should not waste your time on websites where you would get very little money, right? So you need to make money the right way. So if you come back straight to Google, you need to type in user feel, right? And when you type in user feel, you would come to this website, right? So it's called user feel, and it's basically the same user testing process. And when you go through this website, you could see there are a lot of things here. There's so many clients and so many satisfied customers, but you need to go through the FAQs, the frequently asked questions, which is really important. Now, when you go through these FAQs, you could see that there is an option that you need to go through a sort of screening process, right? So basically, they would check to see if your computer is good enough and if you have a high-speed internet to take up tests like this, right? So it's a very simple task. You just need to sign up, and you could do that on your own. I'm not going to waste your time by going through that. So to go through the sign up, you need to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the page, and there is an option here for testers which says get paid to test. Right now, that is pretty easy. So go ahead and sign up with user feel, and if you get a lot of projects, please go ahead and take them. You could earn some quick money, but you might not get rich overnight or in 1 week's time, right? But there are chances that you could have some sort of passive income, right? So this is one thing. And the other thing that you could do is go to Google and type in the reviews. Now, if you really go through the reviews, you could see that user feel has some good reviews. It's reliable, it's realistic, and it's easy, right? Now, people say they recommend it. Now, overall, it's a good platform, but what we are looking for is the money, right? And we need to see if it's really worth it. Now, if you go to this question here, does user testing really pay? Now you see that rewards range from $4 to $120 per test. Now I'm assuming the bigger the project, the bigger the test, you get $120. Now imagine if you take one of this a month, that's like an extra $100 every month, right? But there are also short tests, which usually takes 5 minutes, and they pay you $4 each, right? And a 20-minute test involves screen and audio recording, and you could get around 10 USD. Now 20 minutes a day, if you really have that time, I'm sure you can put in 20 minutes a day. Go ahead and check out this beautiful website. The reviews are really good, and there's no problem at all. Now, apart from that, there's another bonus app that I'm going to talk about. Now, this one is called Money App, right? Now, Money App works very differently. It's an application, and it's available for Android users and for Apple users as well, right? Now, the website is pretty blank. It looks like, there's something plain, right? But we're going to see how it works. Now, it's pretty easy. You just earn credit, you cash out, and you enjoy your money. And the payouts with Money App takes around 48 hours and are paid directly to your account. Right now, they follow PayPal, so you need to have a PayPal account. if you don't get a PayPal account, or you could probably earn some money on Money App and then you could get a PayPal account if you want to, whatever makes you feel comfortable. But the good point is, if you go to the iOS store and if you see that the Apple Store, there are a lot of positive ratings. It's 4.9, right? Now that is something really, really good, right? Now not all of these apps have good ratings, but this one has some real good ratings, and I'm sure this is gonna really help you get some small amount of money. Now, if it's not a lot, even if it's $10 to $20 a month, it's gonna be helpful for you, right? Now, we don't promise you big figures like saying that you could earn 10 or thousands of dollars a day or $10,000 in a month. We show you the reality with this channel, and we also show you the right way of making money. So these things have worked, and I've seen a lot of people go ahead and give positive reviews about this. So go ahead and check out Money App, right? Download it on your phone. You've got nothing to lose. It's totally for free, and whenever you have the time to take up tasks, please go ahead and do it. The same thing goes with Userfeel. Whenever you have the time to do it, go ahead and sign up to this, and please start making some money online. So I hope you guys are satisfied with this. If you're really happy, please smash that like button, and I would come up with something else, with a different video where you could earn money in bigger forms, right? But in a real legit way. So until then, all of you stay safe, and I would see you all in the next video.